Okay, welcome back coders. Today our topic is JavaScript sets. So sets is very powerful. So a JavaScript set is a collection of unique values. So this is very important, unique values. So it will never duplicate. So I have a huge explanation regarding set and it is almost like array. So where is the basic difference with array, and we will discuss about the benefits of sets and why we should need instead of array, and what's the benefit with array and what's the benefit with set. Okay, and you see it has a great performance boost. Fast lookup, big O of 1 and big O of n, so it's faster than set. So if possible, if you use set, so your app will get tremendous performance boost. Okay, so first of all, let's discuss what is set. In JavaScript, both sets and array are used to store collection of values, but they have different characteristics and uses. Choosing between them depend on the specific requirement of your application. So duplication, no duplicate is allowed, but array allows duplication. Order, yes, insertion order is preserved. Indexed order, okay. Indexing, no direct indexing, has to check the existence, and it's in use index. Performance, this is very important. It has a performance boost. For lookup, it is big O of 1 and big O of n. So iterations, if you don't understand what is big O of n and big O of 1, it is data structure algorithm, time complexity. Okay, we'll discuss later in this tutorial. Iteration supports for is for of, supports map for is for of, methods add delete has size, push pop filter, map reduce length. So if you need unique values, since set automatically removes duplication, it is useful to store unique items. Unique user, say unique user ID. Fast lookup are required. Set has value is faster, big O of 1, compared to array includes big O of n. So this is time complexity. If you understand data structure and algorithm, so you will understand it. If not, if you don't understand, just remember one thing: it is faster, very much faster than array. So you don't need direct indexing. If you don't need to access element by index, a set is fine. Removing duplicates efficiently. Converting an array to set and easy to remove duplicates. If you need a list of items with duplicate and order elements, use an array. If you need unique values, this is very important. Unique values and fast lookup, use set. In more cases, array is go-to choice since it's more flexible. However, if you are dealing with the large data sets where uniqueness and quick search matters, set is a better option. Okay. And why we need, what is the benefits of sets? So it will do for you automatic duplication. Sets automatically remove duplicate values. We'll see by examples. If you don't understand the theories, just go along with the tutorial. We will discuss a lot of examples. So set automatically remove duplicate values, making them ideal for scenario where you need to ensure uniqueness. Okay. Performance checking, we have discussed already. So big O of n, it set has a big O of n, time complexity, and array is big O of n. Set is big O of 1 and it's big O of n. Simpler syntax. Sets provide a clean and intuitive API for adding, deleting, and checking values. Useful for mathematical operations. Sets are useful for performing mathematical set operations like union, insertion, and difference. Memory efficiency. Since sets only store unique values, they can be more efficient than arrays when dealing with large datasets that with many duplicates. So it has a lot of values: memory efficiency, simpler syntax, mathematical operation, and performance boost, and everything. Okay, so this is unique values. Each value can only occur once in a set. The values can be at any type, primitive values or objects. So it could be primitive values or objects. However, to create a set, you can create a JavaScript set by passing an array to the set or creating an add value to it. So this is set method. I'm showing you. So const letters equal to new set, say ABCD. Okay. So if you console log the letters, console.log letters. So I'm running the Coca. So set 0 1 on B to C. So if you go to the console, you will see this representation. Okay, it is like object, and it has the 0 1 2 3 and below. uh, very much close to array but not array. So array representation is not like that, so it is almost like array. Okay, and another thing I want to show you, if you go to the prototypal inheritance, you will see it has the symbol iterator. So it has the symbol iterator. It means that you can use for off loop over here. Okay, so it is iterable. Okay, so what it is saying, so you can see the size. Okay, the size of the, say, console.log console.log the size of the set is letters.size. Letters.size. So the size of the set is 3. 3 means 0 1 2. I mean 3. It starts from 0 as like array. Okay, so now you can add items here. Say if you have a set, blank set, say const letters equal to new set say A B C. Okay, or I'm keeping it empty. So this is the empty set. Okay, so letters dot add A, say letters dot add B. So we are adding 2, and letters dot add C. So now if you console log the set, console.log letters, so you can add it afterwards. Okay, no problem. Initially you are triggering a blank set, and then you can add it. Okay, so it's not a problem. So we can add items to the set, and we can see the letter size. Okay, so if you understand the array, if you understand the objects, so this is not a big deal. So you can add item to set like that way. You can declare separate variable. These and previous thing are very similar. So extra here variable is declared, and later items has been added to the set. Okay, console.log so set has 3 values, and you can see the set console.log letters. Will not get the value over here, rather we'll get value over here. Okay, so we have 3 items, and how it is showing in the browser. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is array like representation. So add method, so you can initially it has 3 items, later you can add 2. It is also possible. say I am showing you. So const letters equal to new set okay A B C. So we have three items, right? So now I want to add letters dot add D letters dot add E. So console dot log letters. Okay, so initially we had three, now we have five, and now you can see the console dot log letters dot size. So size is 5. Previously it was 3 now. So if you add equal items, only the first. So you cannot. This is actually this is the unique attributes of the set. So you cannot add the unique values several times, right? So console.log so the set has three values. But why three? Because several times we are trying to add C, but only one C will be added. Next C will be omitted or ignored because this is the main attributes of set. So a set is for uniqueness. You know, a JavaScript is a collection of unique values. It will not go for duplicate values. Okay. Okay. So listing the elements. So we can use for off loop over here. I have shown you why we can use it. Again, I am showing you console.log letters C. So you see in the prototype it has the symbol iterator. So that's why for you can use for loop. So what is for loop? They are using const okay text. So they are running for loop over here. So I'm showing you const letters equal to new set. Okay. So let text equal to this one for const letter of letters. Okay, and text class equal to letter. Okay, so now console log the letter. Console dot log text. So we are getting ABC. So we can run for up loop inside the setter objects. Okay, so if you go for the set is it a object? Okay, console.log type of letters equal to object. You can see the instances of set, is it true or not? Okay, so letter instances of set. Okay, console.log letter instances of set, so it's true. Okay, so browser support. So we are done. We have complete reference. We'll discuss with it also. So this is the complete reference. So we have new set. Now we know that because we had discussed we can add. No, we need to discuss about clear, delete, excuse me, has, keys, values. Okay. So we are done with this chapter. Let's go for the next chapter. And next chapter is JavaScript set methods. The new set method pass an array to the new set. We have already discussed about that, and we can add it. We see the duplication. We have seen the for of loops in the previous chapter. We have has method. This is new. Let's see. The answer. Okay, so let's see. So letters console.log letters has letter says D, say it's false. Letter says A, so it's true. And it is very much time efficient. It's big O of on within big O of 1 time complexity, it can give you the result. So this is very efficient. Okay, so we have has. If has, they will give you true, otherwise false. For each method, you can run for each method on the loop. Let's see. So console.log text. Okay. Okay, ABC. Okay, ABC. Next for is, so you can console log the values. Console.log value. So you are getting ABC. So you can run the for each loop on it. That it was saying it has the value method. Value method returns an iterator object. So let's see the example. Value is not that much important. It's give you a good representation, nothing else. Console.log. So we have the ABC, and if we see console.log my iterator, you see, let's see. So you see the value returns an iterator. So it has A, B, C, A, B, and C. Oh, this is also same. They are trying to run a for of loop through letter values. So key methods. Key method returns an iterator object with an values in set. The set has no key, so key returns same as values. It will return as values. Okay, let's see the first example. Okay. Console.log. So we are getting ABC, and if you see the console.log my iterator, so let's see my iterator. So it will give you this representation as like value. Okay, and this is also keys entries. Let's see the entries method iterator value pair. It will have keep value, key, and value. Okay, so let's see the entries. Okay, So it's conflicting, so I'm commenting this. Okay, console log console.log text, and if you go to the iterator, console.log iterator, okay, and see the iterator, you see the present representation is giving like object, but not actually the object, so a different representation. So these are the entries, okay, and this is also simple. They are trying to run for a loop through letter entries, but it will give you the same result. Okay, as set has no keys, so set entries method returns value. This makes set compatible with map. It is compatible with map. Okay, so let's discuss about the reference. So JavaScript set is a collection. We have discussed already regarding this issue. We can add item. So we can set add. Now let's go for clear. So clear means you can clear the whole set. So let's see. Okay, now clear means let's discuss console.log letters dot size. So if you go for size, you will get 3, right? But now if you go for size, console.log letters dot size, now it is 0 because it's clearing everything. So it's clearing everything, okay? So we have discussed about clear. Now discuss about delete. Okay, delete method. So delete is simply for delete. So let's see, or we have the, so let's delete A from here or B. Okay, so or console.log directly letters.delete, say I'm deleting B. Something wrong. Delete letters.delete A. Okay, letters.delete. Now see the console log. So it has, now see the console log letters. Okay, console.log letters. So we have no B right now over here. So previously we have A, B, C. Now we have A and C. Okay, so this is very powerful. And C entries, we have discussed about entries. For this we have discussed keys, values, and everything is done. Size is done. So we are done everything with JavaScript set. Okay, set and set method. So this is all about set, JavaScript set. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. It will be a wonderful journey. Thank you very much. See you soon.